Well, here we go. The snowstorm has hit us and given me about 8 inches of snow so far, and it's still coming down. But I definitely had to move some snow around, otherwise it gets too built up. It was hard enough as wet and heavy as it was. That made, without no chains on that thing, made it difficult to move stuff around. But I got it done. Got a nice pile back there. Nice pile right there. And 2 more at the end of the driveway. And the snowplow hasn't been here yet. Once he gets here, I'll have to go back out and move the snow from the end of the driveway, because there'll be a nice pile of it there too. An old poor dirt farmer, I bet he'd just love it up here. Come on up, we'll party, huh? Yeah. Well, I guess I can't complain. The winter here was not really much of a winter. And if you see all that snow banked up along the shed, that's what slides off the middle roof. As long as they got a steep enough angle on it, they don't get built up too bad. But yeah, we didn't get the winter that we normally do, which I can say it saved me a lot of money in propane. But other than that, can't say too much good about it. Who can say much good about a winter, right? Nah. People say you get used to it. You don't get used to it. You learn to tolerate it. That's pretty much what it is. And there's the old crabapple tree that the turkeys were sitting in. I've had pheasants in there, turkeys, squirrels, any other bird that likes to eat that. Usually there's robins in there. Yeah, only 3 times to fill that tank this winter, when usually it's 5. So, well, I think it's time to put the toy away, and after this gets done, tomorrow I'll probably come on. See, the ground ain't frozen no more, so it's really difficult to not tear things up when you're trying to move the snow. But at least I use that so I don't have to shovel as much. Anyway, well, thanks for watching. Bye now.